how to fix Nest doorbell that is not ringing inside. So we have a few reasons over here and the corresponding fixes to those reasons. So my zones around over here, go ahead and check that out. But over here, you're gonna note that wireless Nest doorbell models using the indoor power adapter do not interconnect with your chime and require a home base or a display to ring inside. So the first thing is to install the doorbell. Check for installation issues. This is the wired, so it should be something like this. You can do this by checking the chime and transformer compatibility for the first step, and here you can look at the base requirements for the Nest wired doorbell. There's a table over here that you can check. Then you can install the doorbell terminal wires. So it should look something like this with your front and trans sides and connecting the specific wires to them. So you can set up the Nest chime adapter. So connect the positive with the trans chime terminal and connect the negative with the front or rear terminal. So finally, it should look a bit something like this, directly connecting to the chime. And here are connections for the chime transformer. So connect the chime front or rear terminal with a doorbell, connect the chime trans with one transformer plus, and connect the doorbell C positive wire with another transformer plus. Wire the transformer with the AC power source of the circuit breaker. This way, both of your chime and Nest doorbell are powered with the 2 plus terminals on the transformer, and the voltage from the chime and transformer is filtered with the chime adapter. Then you can reassemble and test the doorbell. So put it all back together and you can test it if the doorbell rings in your indoor. Additionally, launch the Google Home app and navigate to your Nest doorbell, settings doorbell, and make sure the ring indoor chime is set to on, of course. The next is to inspect the Nest chime adapter setup. So take a look at something like this in your chime, and all of the wired Nest doorbells use the chime adapter to stabilize the transformer voltage and connect via positive and negative wires to the front and trans terminals. Although the installation is conducted by qualified technicians, doing it by yourself is not safe and reliable, so make sure you're gonna have to get better information at least, or at least an actual professional. You can also go ahead and try resetting the Nest doorbell. So the main way to do this is to pretty much find a way to turn it off. You can find some sort of breaker, turning it off for 30 seconds at least to fully discharge the system, and turning it back on once that time has went back. So you can go ahead and test if the chime doorbell has worked after doing so. You can also configure a third-party chime device, which is wireless. To make your wireless doorbell ring inside, you must use a third-party device compatible with Google Home. So you can set up a compatible device. So ensure your compatible device like the Google Nest speakers, displays, or other compatible products, and activate the visitor announcement if you'd like to do so, and check the compatibility test. If it's compatible, it should work once you finish connecting that chime to the other app or connector. But hopefully the information of this video can help, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.